This week we make a unique jungle bird riff with an unexpected set of flavors. Stick around. Oh man, Jungle Cruise. Let's go.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the amazing, the colossal, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water.
Hey, has anyone ever tried to go through the water?
Well, since you asked.
Whoa!
Whoa, where are we?
It's like a cool tiki bar.
Whoa, where did these come from?
From Trader Sam, of course. It's part of his 2-for-1 special. 2 of his spirits for 1 of yours.
Dave?
So recently we've been featuring a lot of recipes that lean into the spices, like cinnamon and allspice jam. So in an effort to swing things back into the bitters and citrus world, today we want to feature a unique, modern, complex recipe, the Jungle Slow Cruise. We found this recipe courtesy of the cocktail book Spirits of Latin America by Ivy Mix. You're a mixologist and your name is Ivy Mix? Ridiculous. It was apparently inspired by a trip gone wrong where Ivy herself was en route to the Appleton distillery in Jamaica and she got a flat tire. She riffed it from a jungle bird created by fellow bartender Ryan Liloia from their bar in Brooklyn, Leyenda. I'm sorry, Ryan, if I mispronounced your name. This recipe is akin to classic complex citrus recipes such as the puka punch or the bali bali, especially with that use of cognac and passion fruit, but combines it with jungle bird elements such as Campari and Blackstrap Rum, and then ultimately adds Jamaican elements inspired by that flat tire jungle trip, such as Appleton and a funky Overproof rum. All right, let's get this thing moving with the 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/4 ounce of a Demerara syrup, we're using simple syrup in this case, 1/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup, we're using Liquid Alchemist. Now those jungle bird elements come in with that bitter Campari, we're using a 1/2 ounce. Here comes that 1/2 ounce of cognac. She uses Pierre Ferrand, but we're going to use Remy Martin. 1/4 ounce of a blackstrap rum. We're using Cruzan. Gingerbready. We're almost there, guys. Only 30 more ingredients. Hang in there. A 1/2 ounce of a funky Overproof Jamaican rum. She uses Wray and Nephew, but we're going to use Rum Bar. And finally, an ounce of a Jamaican rum. She uses Appleton 12-year. We're going to use Appleton Signature. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. Add a couple of ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds cool. Yeah. Ivy likes to serve this in a Collins glass. Serve it over crushed ice. And now, just strain it in. Nice, that nice Campari color. She likes to garnish this with a pineapple wedge. So let's put this on the side. A couple of fronds in the back. And there it is, Jungle Slow Cruise. Let's check this out. Wow, it's such an incredible journey of flavor, really. You taste all the different ingredients one at a time as you go through. You get that funky rum, you get that Campari in there, and then you get a little bit of that molasses from the blackstrap. The citruses all just kind of like lift that up. It all really gels together in the end into one excellent cocktail. It rewards anybody who goes through the journey of making this beast by transporting them down the Jungle Cruise. Let us know what you think about this drink in the comments below if you make it at home. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tiki adventures and cocktail recipes. Until next time, cheers.
Dave? Still a good trade.